Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your two-factor authentication on your crypto.com mobile app by simply opening up crypto.com. Once it's opened up, you head over to the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once there, you simply scroll down and select on two-factor authentication. And it shows you the option to reset your two-factor authentication, seeing as it's enabled. Once you click on that, you're met with two options. Either you reset it based on the premises that you have your two-factor authentication credentials or you do not. So in the case that you do not possess it, you click on I don't, and then you can send them a message and some other things like that. But seeing as we do have our two-factor authentication code or our two-factor authentication available on our own phone, you click on reset two-factor authentication. You click on yes, and then it tells you to enter your passcode for this purpose. You enter your passcode, and then you enter the two-factor authentication code generated by your authenticator app. So you minimize, head over to Google Authenticator. It might display as blanked on the video, but you simply look for your crypto.com code. And once you've copied your code out, you simply paste the two-factor authentication code here. You paste it, you click on continue. Okay guys, and with your new two-factor authentication code, which you've gotten from the setup key, that setup key was meant for you to use it. You create a new two-factor authentication. You simply paste your two-factor authentication gotten from your authentication app. You copy and paste. Head back to crypto.com, paste it, and you click on continue. And voila, your two-factor authentication is reset successfully. So you've changed from the previous or the old one to a new one. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can reset your two-factor authentication on your crypto.com mobile app. And you'll be given an answer. Thank you.